everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to create jewelry for Halloween and spooky season? This is using some of the items from the Softlex Company Design Kit, Gone Batty. I will leave a link down below in the description if this kit is still available, and the playlist to all other Gone Batty designs. So I'm adding in the spider charm from my collection and just a few of the crystal beads. I'm using the bead strand from Jesse James Beads. Unfortunately, it is sold out. Some chain that was in the design kit, and the onyx wire from the design kit. And I really love this main bead here, so I got it for another project for something super special, so stay tuned for that. And then I'm just using the rest of the beads. I'm going to replace these 3 beads here with the little crystals. And then I'm going to use the chain for the back of my necklace. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. Let's start creating. So you can work on the spool of Softlex wire if you would like. It acts as a bead stopper. Start, we're just going to open up our strand of beads. So we have all our beads. I'm just going to remove the middle ones. Put those off to the side for my other project. And I know with Jesse James bead strands is they're kind of a collectible item. There's just so many great design possibilities that you can make with them. And then sometimes you just want to leave them as is, the beads off the strand, and just kind of rework them into your own creation. So I'm going to move this little spacer over here. And then I like these little spacers when they're double stacked, just gives it a more fuller look. One of these little silver beads in between the 2 little spacers. Just give it some more sparkle. And then I have my smaller beads up front. And then we're just going to have the chain on the back. And you will need 2 2x2s for the project as well. So now that we have the pattern already lined out, we can start stringing it onto our Softlex wire. Start from one end. You can start from the middle if you want. You just have to cut your Softlex wire. So we're just going to add on the beads. Comment down below what you thought of this fabulous kit. I know the Softlex Company design kits are pretty popular, so they tend to sell out quickly. Of course, we got to add our sparkle. Then we're going to add in the smaller beads. I think Softlex had a spider design kit for a couple Halloweens previous. So we have our design. And we're just keep adding on our beads. And I do have another spider charm, so I think I'll make a matching bracelet. So we're going to slide on the rest of our beads. And you can also use like a purple amethyst wire or the silver. I'm going to grab my 2x2s and I'm going to attach it to the chain. If you want, you can add a clasp to this. You can either put it in the back of the chain or off to the side, make an asymmetrical necklace. I grab our chain. We're going to pick up one Softlex 2x2. And we're just going to slide our chain on like we would a bead. We're going to pass back through with our Softlex through our 2x2. We're going to create a little loop on our 2x2 right up to the chain. It can cause tension. We're just going to give it a squeeze and rotate. Now we have a little bit of a tail, but the next bead on our wire will tuck the wire inside that bead. And this just gives it kind of a more professional finish. So now we do have a lot of Softlex, so we're just going to slide it down from the spool. We're going to cut a good working length. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side with the 2x2 and the chain. And if you didn't want to attach it directly to the chain, you could always put it to a jump ring. That way, if you need to switch out your clasp or you want to add a clasp, you can do so. And then we're just going to pass it back through our 2x2 once we make our loop with our chain. Make sure everything is nice and secure. We want to make sure that our loops are fairly the same size. Then we're just going to take our pliers and give it a smash. And then we can rotate, and this will give it a more professional finish. And then we're just going to trim off this extra soft flex, or if you want, you can tuck it in your bead. And then always save your soft flex for another project. And we have our beautiful little spider necklace using beads from the Soft Flex Company design kit, Gone Batty. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for the items used in this tutorial, as well as Halloween playlists and all other necklace inspiration. Have an awesome day.